extracted this file. Okay. So once you extracted this file, have you extracted?
I did actually. So I opened this file.
Okay.
So that was the file.
Okay. Can you go to PRES1 folder? Okay. Can you go to GUI?
GUI. Okay.
Go to Windows. Go to that.
132.
Go to it. Okay. Come down. Okay. So generally we need only GUI, right? Setup. So it's not necessary all to execute. Okay. So come down from last. You can see SAP GUI setup .exe. Right. Okay. Just run that. So generally, if it is set up all BW or all the system, then we have to be run. Set up all. Okay. But here we need only for we don't need all BI and BW, right? So just going with the only GUI. Yeah. Okay.
So it says
So
okay.
now it's extracted.
Yeah, it says okay.
Okay. Okay. Now it's extracting this one. Okay. Next. Okay. And select all.
Here.
Yeah. Exactly.
Okay. Next.
Next. Yeah. Next. Okay, close. Okay, you can close this file as well. Okay, so there will be a SAP app icon. Okay, once you downloaded this one. Okay, so you can close all. You can close all. Close this folder as well. No. Okay, so there will be a SAP login pad. Okay. Okay, so now as I discussed yesterday, you have to be click on the create button, new button. Right? So there is a button which is like the top. After enable login, there will be a button, right?
A variable logon.
So yeah, variable login. Yeah, there is new button, right? New click on button. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, it's okay. This is also fine. Just click on next.
Okay.
Okay, so here you need to add the application server. Okay, and instance number and system ID number. Okay.
Okay, so what's the application server?
I'll just give you that.
Okay.
Okay. It's you can application server is 49.207.10.130.
Okay.
And instance number is 33. Okay. And system ID you can put it like okay, I'll just give you that as well. Yeah, you can put it like Y01.
Y01.
Oh yeah, Y01.
Okay.
So generally these are the application server and instance number and system ID. So different systems, different application server and ID numbers and different it is there. So different demo servers. So it is not standard. Okay. So depends on the our technical consultant how they design this database connectivity. Based on that, it will be changed. Okay. So generally, when you joining to the company, okay, if you joining to any client, first what you need to take, you need to take it up that what is the application server and instance number and system ID numbers for development system, quality system, production system. Okay. So there is a three kind of landscape in the real time. Okay. So in the demo system, it will be like only one, but in the real time, so there might be have the 3, 4, 5 landscapes also. Depends on the client capability. They can go ahead with the different landscapes. Okay. So landscape it is nothing but like how many servers they have. Okay. So they have the separately development server and the quality server and production server. They will be separate. Okay. And each and everywhere there will be an application server and instance number and system ID number is separate. Okay. So just click on next. Next.
Again. Okay.
Okay, and login. So once it is done, okay, it will display like this one. Okay, so now you just clicking on the variable login, right? So what you need to do, just close this one. Okay, just close this one and click on create button, new button. Instead of variable pay, you just click on new button. There is a left, yeah, correct. Just click on that. Yeah, new button. Yeah, click on that. Okay, so we need to store right the information. So please enter again. Yeah, click on next. Yeah, enter again. So you can put it like description like what it is like ECC test server or IDS server, whatever it might be. Your, how you can identify this one. Okay, test. Yeah, and application server 49.207.10.130.
So this is fixed. Yeah, the application
130.
server. Yeah, that's
Oh,
fixed. Okay.
yeah.
Instance
And
number.
33.
Okay.
And system ID is Y01. Okay. Just click on next, next, and finish. Okay. And finish. Yeah. Okay. And just click on the text server. Okay. On the right side. Okay. Okay. Now you can enter the user ID.
Anything, right?
Yeah. 1033. No, no, not this ID.
1300 10.
0. No, 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 no. 1033. Okay. 68. Okay. So I'm
103368.
68. Okay.
Okay.
I'm just pinging the password in the WhatsApp. Okay.
Okay.
So try this one. Okay.
Okay.
Enter.
So this is the fixed one, or it varies every time.
Language login language. Okay. Default it is coming based on the profile. Okay. What it is created profile from the basis team. Okay. But we can request if you need some other different language also we can request them. Okay. So different languages have a different logins language. Okay, if you are from Germany, there will be a different language, or if you are from the different countries, there will be a different languages also to be there. So depends on it's the defaultly it is like EN that is from the user profile. When they created a user profile, they will be entering this default to login language is EN. Okay, but still you can change that. Okay, in the real time if they are allowing for the multiple languages. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So this is what. Okay. The SAP login pad and the SAP screen. Okay. So I'm just sharing the screen. Okay, I'm just
All
closing.
right.
So this is ready, right, for you?
I'll
Okay.
just close.